Hausa. Please don't stop until you get here. Thank you.
Good morning. The Honorable Minister of Youth Development, Honorable Ayodele Olawande, the Permanent Secretary for the Youth Ministry, the Director General of NYSC, representative of the SA to the President on Policy and Coordination, the DG CLTC, Garin Abiola, the EU Ambassador to Nigeria, and my sister SA to the President of Youth Initiative. It gives me great pleasure to be here today at this ministerial retreat and stakeholders engagement organized by the Federal Ministry of Youth Development. I wish to commend the Honorable Minister, the Ministry leadership team, and all partners for convening this important gathering at a time when the nation is intensifying effort to consolidate the gains of the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR. This retreat provides us with an opportunity to reflect on our collective progress, review our strategies, and align our effort towards building a more productive, ethical, and responsible youth population. As we all know, the future of Nigeria rests largely on the shoulders of our young people, and it is our duty to nurture in them the value of citizenship, leadership, patriotism, and integrity. As the Office of the Senior Special Assistant to the President on Citizenship and Leadership, we remain committed to working with the Ministry and all stakeholders to instill the principles of responsible citizenship and effective leadership among Nigerian youth. It is only by equipping our young men and women with these values that we can ensure sustainable development, national unity, and good governance. On this note, I wish to encourage all participants here to approach the deliberation with open minds, innovative ideas, and a spirit of collaboration. The outcome of this retreat will not only shape the direction of youth development in Nigeria, but will also strengthen our collective resolve to build a society anchored on ethics, discipline, and accountability. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I once again express my profound appreciation for this invitation and reaffirm my readiness to continue working with the Ministry and partners to achieve our shared vision for Nigerian youth. I wish you all fruitful deliberation and a successful retreat. Thank you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Build the youth, build the nation.
Thank you very much, Madam Nasir Bala. Thank you so very much.